In unit number 3, we will cover these skills: basic structure of C++, output function, input function. What is the basic structure of a C++ program? Structure of a C++ programs refers to sequence of instructions or statement. These statements are what from structures of C++ program. The C++ program structure divided into several sections, which are namely headers, class, definition, member functions, definitions, and main function. So students, structure of C++ refer to headers, class, member of functions, definition, main function. It is essential to remember that the C++ offer the flexibility of writing a program with or without a class and its member functions definitions. A simple C structure program without a class, we will include comments, namespace, headers, main, and input output statement. The table of content: comment, header, namespace, main function. Okay students, we will cover these three skills in this unit. So basic structure of C++, output function, input function. Okay students. Now let's see the page number 49. Basic structure of C++. In C++ program is divided into three parts: preprocessor, directory, main function header, body of the program function. The body of program functions, this is the basic structure of C++. Program is given figure number 2.1. Now see the figure 2.1, the codes and symbols. Now I show you what is code and symbols. This is the hash sign. Where is hash sign? Have you seen hash sign? In key number 3, we see the hash sign. Okay. And after that, we write include and IO stream in less than, greater than, and less than. Header files in C++, usually we should be use fully qualified name in the header file, such as IO stream, file of the structure and class declaration function, prototype, and global variable extensions declaration in the file. Put the function definition and global variable definition initialization in this area. We always include first hash sign, include, less than, greater than, in between, IO stream. IO input, I for input, and O for output. This symbol is classified preprocessor directories hash include to use to link the external header files, libraries which may be required in the program. Okay students, now you learn number 1, coding and their symbols. See, the first of all, we write hash include IOStream in less than greater than sign. In between we write IOStream. Okay student. Now second one is using namespace std. We write using namespace std without giving a space in between namespace. Okay student. This instruction tells us the compiler to the standard namespace. The namespace is the collection of. Now I am emphasize the collection of functions, class and object, and all these elements of the standard libraries of C++ are declared with the standard std. Students, here we write using namespace std. It means we are include class, functions and object in these elements of the standard libraries in C++ declare with the standard std. Okay student. Now number 3 symbol is int main. Int main, after that we write the round bracket function. It is used for execution of C++ program. Int main return value 0. Now here we start our coding in this part. Okay. Number 1, first of all we open our dev 05 and then after we write hash include IOStream in between greater than less than, and then after second one using namespace std int main void. Okay, and then after we start our programming. Okay student, now you learn how to write code and symbols in C++. That is very easy. Number 1, it is called preprocessor directories. This one. Using namespace is called class, function and object. We include them. Yeah, 3 things we include by using namespace std. Using namespace std. And int main void function is used for execution of C++ program, and void mean nothing to return value. Okay student. Now see the students. Now see, this is also called the bracket. This is open bracket. Number 1, first of all, this symbol indicates the beginning of the main function. It is also known as opening curly braces. Okay, bracket. We also say the bracket. The both are correct. So first of all, we write opening bracket first of all, and then after statement. What is statement? Instructions that perform a particular that perform a particular task is called the statement. Statement, we write statement and then after we use terminator. Terminator is semicolon. Terminator, after we put terminator. Terminator means we should close our program with terminator with semicolon. Semicolon. For example, first of all we write C out greater than and invited double invited comma, and we write Pakistan Zindabad. The output of the given example is Pakistan Zindabad. We will see our console. What is console? Console, the black window that show our output result. Okay, that is called console. Return value. The return value is the exit code, yani closing code of your program. By default, main in C++ return an int integer data type value of the operating system. Now see the last one, that is also called closing curly braces. In this symbol we indicate that the ending of the main function, it is also known as the closing curly braces. Okay student, now see the second page. Here is we write our comments. In C++, the comment statement, why we write comment statement in C++? The comment statement are those statements that are ignored by the compiler. Compiler don't read this statement because here is we write the comment, and in C++ we recommend two types of statement. For the these are two type of comment statement: single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment, it is used to a single line. Now see the single line comment. This is the single line comment. See, the compiler will ignore this area, and this is multi and this is single command. Start with backspace and double backspace, single line command and multi line command. We use command then the line. This may need to put double slash on the each line, and the start these commands are ignored by the compiler, which means the commands are not executable. For example, this block Here this block compiler not ready. Okay students, differentiate the between input and output function. Now you understand. Use the input and output function in a program. Describe the use of statement terminator. You know terminator, we use semicolon and that is called terminator, and use escape sequence in C++ program. You also learn input output handling in C++. You understand C out means your console gave the output on your screen. Okay student, now see the next output function. Cout is the predefined object in C++. It is used to display the output of the standard output device, monitor, console. Syntax is cout variable or double quotation. For example, my first program, you write it cout less than greater than and double inverted comma, you write this is my first program. This function is used to print the string to the output and new line automatically inserted after printing the string. Syntax input to hold the console for little bit of time. Now see our first program. Now see our first program that is written. Okay, number 1, include IOStream using namespace std, int main, round bracket, opening bracket, close bracket, in between opening and close, puts my first program. Now see the output. Here is the output. Okay, this is also called the console. Okay, you learn input output handling in C++. You learn comments. How many types comment? I teach you two types of comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. And now I teach you cout and header files and statement. You always write statement in double quotation and after quotation we close with terminator. What is terminator? Semicolon. Okay. Okay student, now see the statement terminator. You learn the statement terminator. Every statement in C++ must be terminated with semicolon. I told you. It is indicate that the end of the statement, and it is also called the statement terminator. If the terminator is missing, an error message will be occur. So always use terminator after closing your statement. Okay, you will learn. Escape sequence. What is escape sequence and why we use escape sequence? The space sequence are the special non-printing characters. Non-printing. Here is written non-printing. Non-printing means that is not written. Okay, that is not written. Now see, that is not written, called space sequence, that is not written. Okay, that can be use with the C out in C++. Now see, escape sequence slash A. The mean we use a alarm in our program. Okay. Example, we write cout double quotation backslash A and then after terminator. Now you understand terminator. What is terminator? Terminator always we use for closing our statement. Number B, stand for backspace. It moves the cursor backspace. Example, cout slash B. It means we use backspace. Now backslash and T stand for horizontal tab. If we want to give the space and that time we use horizontal tab, it is used to shift the cursor to couple of space to our program. So we write T for giving a tab and that's why we use T. And for new line, if you want to write Pakistan Zindabad and then after your name, so you should need to give backslash and it means you write Pakistan Zindabad and next line you write your name. If you don't write backslash and the compiler write your name and Pakistan both in one line. Okay. So N means you gave your statement in new line. Okay. Carriage return, it is used to position of the cursor to right place, beginning of the current line. If we want to our cursor in beginning of the current line and that time we write backslash R. Double backslash, it is used to print the backslash character for giving comments backslash. For giving backslash, it is used to print the backslash. For giving space. Single quotation, it is used to print the apostrophe sign of character. Example, cout and giving, we want to give a comma या apostrophe and that time we use that sign. Double quotation, it is used to print the question mark. Example, cout slash double quotation. It means we want to hear a question marks and compiler give you right answer. Now you understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 space sequence. What is space sequence? A special non-printing character that can be used with the cout in C++ and space sequence start with the backslash and a code character. Every code character have its own use. A for alarm, B for backspace, T for give a space, N for new line, R for carriage return, double slash for giving a space, single quotation for apostrophe and double quotation to print a question mark. Now you understand how to write statement terminator. Every statement in C++ must be terminated with the semicolon. It indicates the end of the statement and it is also called the statement terminator. Now in this paragraph, page number 56, you understand statement terminator and space sequence. We learned here space sequence. 8 space sequence. Their different uses. We learn their different uses. Okay, student. Third lesson summary. The C++ program consists of three parts: preprocessor directory, main function header, body of program. Include IO stream is used to indicate header files. Namespace is the collection of identity file. The main function with round bracket, it is compulsory to eliminate of the C++ program. The comment statement are those statements that are ignored by the compiler. These statements are not executable. IO stream is a standard library file that contains definitions of standard input-output functions. Cout is an output object. It is used to display the output through the output device like a monitor. Put round double bracket, it is a string of functions and it is the include in C Studio header file. Syn work as input object in C++. When user want to give, and that time we use syn. Statement terminator, we know very well, it is used for statement ending in C++ programming. Space sequence is the non-printable character. It is used only with the cout statement. Operator are special symbols used for a specific purpose. Arithmetic operator are used for arithmetic operations or calculation. Increment and decrement operator are used to different ways in C programming. Prefix and post prefix. Relational operator are used to test the relation between two values. Logical operator are used to determine two relational expressions. The relational and logical operator work on a decision making and loops. Now, students, we have learned in C++ how to write a simple program in C++. Start with preprocessor directories, main function and body of the program. And we learned two commands, cout and syn and terminator operator in this unit. Okay student? Okay, here I end my unit. Okay, till then Allah Hafiz. I hope you will learn C++ in a very interesting manner. It is very easy language and I give a compliment every time. The coding is fun and now I think coding is fun. We will learn very soon. Day by day we improve our coding in high level language. Okay student? So See you soon inshallah in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz student. Allah Hafiz. Take care of. Okay, Allah Hafiz.